What is Venus? Before we dive further into the question of what is Venus, let's first get to know how one joins in Filecoin network as a storage provider. Among many different roles you can put on when contributing to Filecoin network, storage provider is one of the most challenging roles which forms the backbones of Filecoin network. To join in the army of thousands of storage providers in Filecoin network is no small feat. Firstly, as a storage provider, you need to have specialized hardware. Besides the hardware, Filecoin collateral needs to be purchased before starting your storage providing operations. And last, choosing which software to run Filecoin and getting yourself familiar with the set software is also one of the most important preparations you should go through. There are actually 4 completely different implementations of Filecoin, each with their own unique design philosophy and emphasis on what they offer storage provider with. By having a set 4 different implementations of Filecoin, users will benefit from a more diverse and resilient network. So, what are the emphasis of Venus implementation of Filecoin? Firstly, adhering to principles of distributed systems. Venus offers infrastructures that are optimized for deployment, scaling, and shared accessibility to Filecoin chain. Secondly, with extensive DevOps experience and deep understanding of the sealing mechanism of Filecoin, Venus has optimized the sealing pipeline to unlock the full potentials of your hardware. Lastly, Venus offers an optimized deal-making experience so that it can go as smooth as possible for both storage clients and storage providers with less operation overhead. Here is the architecture of Venus. One of the most distinctive features of Venus is chain interaction as a service, packaged in what we call a Venus chain service. You can see that at the top of the Venus architecture illustration sits Filecoin chain, and the one in the middle interacting with it is Venus chain service. Venus chain service handles all kinds of interactions with Filecoin chain, including but not limited to chain synchronization, message sending, consolidating block producing, and etc. With different individually deployed submodules, it is very easy for the operator of a chain service to scale its service for a large number of its potential users and apps. For storage providers and storage clients, you don't have to run a sync daemon node locally to start transact on Filecoin chain. With all those features and optimizations of Venus, storage providing will be much easier and less costly. Venus is an open source software driven by community. Welcome to use Venus and join the community built on Filecoin.